In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Notion account. By the end, you'll have a brand new Notion workspace ready to use, and you'll know exactly which choices to make along the way. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Notion.com. This is Notion's official homepage. You can use any modern browser, and this works on both Windows and Mac. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Get Notion Free. It's typically easy to spot near the top of the page. Click that to begin creating your account at no cost. You'll land on a sign-up screen where Notion lets you continue with Google, Apple, or Microsoft. These options are called single sign-on, and they make sign-up fast and secure. Choose the account provider you already use and trust. You may see a quick permissions prompt. That's normal and allows Notion to confirm your identity. If you choose Google, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Click the one you want to use with Notion and follow the on-screen confirmation. If you're already signed in, it might complete in a single click. If you picked Apple or Microsoft, the flow is similar. Sign in if prompted and confirm access so Notion can create your account. Next, Notion will ask how you plan to use it. You'll see options like work, personal, or school. For this walkthrough, select work. This choice helps Notion tailor your starting templates and suggestions. Personal is great for journals and home planning, while school focuses on class notes and assignments. You can still customize everything later, so don't stress about getting it perfect now. You'll then see an option to invite a team. If you're setting this up for a group, you can add colleagues' email addresses so they get access right away. If you're not ready to invite anyone, simply click Continue. You can always add teammates later from your workspace settings. Finally, you'll pick a plan. Notion typically presents a business plan alongside a free plan. If you're just starting or testing things out, the free plan is more than enough and includes pages, databases, and collaboration basics. The business plan adds advanced features for larger teams. Remember, you can upgrade at any time as your needs grow. That's it. Your account is created. You should now be inside your new Notion workspace. Take a moment to explore the starter page, try a template, and create your first note or task. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your Notion setup.